This isn't a guide video, this is a video on strategy. Before we get started, I want to let you know that if you don't know how to find a product, then you won't find out in this video. Next week, I'll be releasing a beginner's guide on dropshipping, so make sure you subscribe and have push notifications on. Dropshipping is a form of business which has the least amount of startup cost possible, since your biggest investment would be inventory. With dropshipping, you have no inventory. Dropshipping allows you to test different types of products without the risks of thousands or sometimes tens of thousands. This process is perfect for beginners who want to enter the world of business but don't know where to start. There are many YouTubers out there who feed you the wrong information. In this video, I'm going to try to explain in the simplest form how you can start dropshipping with this strategy. Feel free to go and watch these YouTubers after you hear my explanation. You'll come to the conclusion that my video wasted less time. Since I don't get paid for these videos, I don't need to make them 10 minutes long. My first rule in the strategy is having a 14-day free trial, and you got to make a sale during the 14-day free trial or before Shopify charges you. You can sign up for a 60-day free trial and test 6 products over 10 days each. This means that you don't pay for a Shopify subscription. Simply make a new email and have another 14 days for free. When your product starts making money, then pay for Shopify. If you're making sales within those 14 days, figure out if you can scale them. If not, cancel your subscription, save the 50 bucks or however much it is, and find a new product. To start dropshipping, you can go 2 ways. The general store, which has a bunch of random products that have no correlation with each other, but you can test many more products with less work. Or the most common one, which is the one that I recommend and I use in this strategy, is the one product store, where the store revolves around one product. The way that I do it is that I try one product, and when it works out, I add a few more products related to that product. Here's an example. I sell nano sensitive toothbrush. This product has done 3,000 in sales, and now I add a toothbrush holder made from wood, as well as a new wooden variation of the toothbrush and a tube of toothpaste as upsells. I only add these related items when I know that the product will work out. I might have missed out on some sales by not having upsells to the people who had already purchased, but I have their email and I can always email them, letting them know that I've released new product. You need to apply this method to your stores in order to maximize your profits once you have a winning product. Once you have your upsells added, shift your marketing so that the product works best with their upsell. For example, my marketing angle for the nano brush would be the perfect toothbrush with people with sensitive teeth. Then say works best with our specially formulated for people with sensitive teeth toothpaste. Purchase alongside the nano brush and feel the difference. This marketing angle shift still highlights your main product, being the nano brush, as well as then features a secondary product, being the sensitive toothpaste, which will later generate you revenue just by mentioning it in your ads. When running ads first, you put them on TikTok organic. If they get 10k views but no more than 70,000 or around that area range, then it's the perfect ad to run as paid, because if they've done well organically, when you put a bit of money behind it, TikTok will push it further and further. This, alongside some strategies I've seen, is having 10 ad sets at settings to $50 in spend, then the campaign budget only $1 in spend. It forces the algorithm to compete against each other as well. This might take your product to the next level. TikTok organic is the way to go when testing new products to see if your product has virality. Follow trends and post frequently, and you can test multiple products at one time without spending a cent. All you need to do is create the TikToks. For fulfillment, I try and use CJ Dropshipping or Zendrop. Zendrop makes it incredibly easy and have really good shipping times. If this is your first time and don't want to commit to something like Zendrop, then use CJ. And if that's too complicated and you can't work things out, use Oberlo. Oberlo is just click a few buttons and then the product is shipped to the customer. Just a quick note that you have learned all this in such a short video, whereas people spend thousands of dollars and countless amounts of time learning strategies from gurus online, which are entirely standard, whereas this one actually helps you make money. Like I said before, there's going to be a guide released next week on getting started in beginners dropshipping, so turn your post notifications on and subscribe.